Riley, let's get a watermelon. Come on. Let's go. I guess we're going this way.
So that looks like it's 20 pounds.
All right, let's cut this open and see what we get. Throw ahead. I think it might be right.
I've planted watermelons off and on over the years, and we're able to grow vines just fine. The melons never did get very big, and any one that I thought might actually be ripe was either really watery inside, or the flesh was completely white. And any of them that got any size at all, the deer would come through and stomp them, and that would be that. Now that smells like a watermelon. Not too bad. Could be a little sweeter. But for anything I've ever grown before, this is awesome. You can do this too. But we got our first watermelon. I want to thank you for coming by the garden. Until next time, take care of yourself, take care of your family, and God bless you. Come on, let's plant.
Let's go plant garden.